This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the browser. Click your profile avatar at the top right to open account controls. This begins the sync shutdown. Once done, select Manage your Google account to confirm which account is active, because turning off sync affects that exact profile. Make sure to note whether you use a work or personal account so you don't accidentally disable the wrong sync. Now choose the Settings or Sync option shown under your profile to move to the next step. You're in Sync settings now. Look for Turn Off or Stop Sync and click it. This stops data from syncing between devices. Once you do, the browser asks whether to keep data on this device or clear it. Choose based on whether you want local access. If you used a custom passphrase, disabling sync will require you to confirm it. This is why encryption matters. After confirming choices, the browser will stop pushing changes to Google servers and end active synchronization. Finish by signing out of the Chrome profile if you want complete separation from that Google account. This prevents accidental re-enabling. Once signed out, you can go to your Google dashboard to permanently remove any server-side sync data if needed. If turning off sync didn't take effect, restart Chrome and check settings again. Make sure you aren't signed into multiple profiles. If you still see problems, re-authenticate briefly, repeat the turn-off step, and then sign out to enforce the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.